My toddler woke me up at 5 a.m. this morning, and it is one thing for me to wake up on my own at 5 a.m. so that I have some me time before she gets up, and a whole other for her to wake up at 5 a.m. with me. I can't totally blame her because she did go to bed at 6 o'clock last night because she wasn't feeling well, but she typically sleeps till 8, so I was hoping that the extra rest would just be useful to her since she was sick, but no, the exact opposite happened. Fortunately, I was able to get her to lay back down around 5:45, so I came downstairs and got started working on the house, but that obviously didn't last long because 45 minutes later, she was awake again, and that was the start of our day. Send us all the caffeine.